All right, lesson 3 and 4 are simple, super quick, but just want to kind of add these on, kind of keep us going through the process here. So this is kind of like a planning guide that we would create if we were together in the classroom. You can click on this Google Doc and just kind of take a look at it here. Kind of talks about all the pages and kind of how they kind of go through here and what each button does as you kind of go through. So like these would be the different pages where they kind of lead you. This is something that we would have created if like we're in the classroom, but it's too hard to kind of do this like without printing them out. And so this is something we're going to kind of skip over, but you can kind of take a look at it like where our end product, where we want our app to actually be able to function and do these different things. So lesson 3, you can just kind of hit continue here and go on. And then you want to, click this one. I showed my answers. All right, then that takes you through lesson 3. And then we want to get to lesson 4. You should be able to do that pretty easy. All right, so lesson 4 takes you here. And then same thing, you can skip over this. Is just kind of giving that same layout of the app and what we want it to do as it functions. As we come here, this kind of shows you the different pages of the quiz here. So this is kind of like their brainstorm. And like sometimes you see app developers, they just have like Post-it notes everywhere where they kind of want to lead the app in different ways. So you can kind of see once I hit run on this app, I hit begin, I get that one right. I choose this one. It kind of takes me back here. So you can kind of see this crazy roadmap for everything that kind of leads here. So check that out. And then here, we want to kind of get to the point where we're starting to make pages on our app here. So what I'm going to do, I want to create like an NBA trivia app. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to just title this one home screen. All right, as you can kind of see, this changes to home screen there. So titling your assets is like the most important thing. All right, so background color. Oh, I had red there. I wanted red. All right, I'm going to change my background color, and I'm going to create like a trivia app. So I want to create like an NBA trivia app. All right, so I'm going to go right here. I'm going to choose my file. All right, so this went to my whole background. I kind of like that. I'll just kind of keep that for now. All right, and then I want to add a button to my screen. So what I should have done is I'm going to grab my button. I'm going to drag this button in here, but I don't want like a normal button. I want a picture button. So what I'm going to do, I try to grab a transparent NBA ball. Let's see if this one's transparent. I'm going to have to remove BG it. All right, and then so right there, I'm like turning my button into my basketball here. All right, so right here, I would rename this. I like button 1, so I know what that is. Background color, I'm gonna just make it, I don't want to make that, I'll make that white. Right, and then I can get rid of that text of button. I just want people to know to click on the button. All right, so right here, I'll delete that. All right, so I might add something to it. I might try to remove this background. You can still kind of see it's a little transparent there. All right, might make it a little smaller. Now, see if I had a transparent one, that would kind of be nice and clear without that white stuff there. So now we want to think about our pages. So we're going to think about our pages, what we want to add to our pages. All right, so now you want to add a new screen. All right, so I might title this one question 1 if this is like a trivia app here. As you kind of see, so now you're going to have screens where you kind of go back and forth between these two. All right, so so you want to create your new screen, add something there. I might add an image. I'm just going to grab, I'll just use the basketball. So I'm going to choose this, and so there will be my image for screen 2. All right, so just kind of design a home screen and design a second screen there. All right, so that's all you have to do for lessons 3 and 4. Should be super quick and easy. Don't feel overwhelmed. Design those screens so it can go back and forth. So here's home screen, here's question 1. All right, I will see you guys later today.